how are you looking at the stimulus out of China? Because we're waiting for that policy to become a little bit clearer, but no doubt some of these prices have been gaining momentum on a lot of the encouraging signs we've seen out of that, and even Rio Tinto suggesting that they are seeing signals of stabilisation, particularly in the property sector.
Yeah, no, I mean, myself was up there at the back end of last year, and definitely domestically within China, and it did feel like there was starting to be a bit of a stabilisation or floor put under the housing, I would say, pricing scenario. So it certainly felt like that was starting to play through some of the monetary policy, but also fiscal policy support that was getting put into place. I guess our concern is also there's still the slowdown in all of the starts and activity that's happened over the last couple of years, and the knock-on effect on commodity demand, I guess, for some of these guys is still, we still haven't kind of found the bottom. We still feel like there's another 12 to 18 months of pain in terms of the change in and velocity around demand for new housing construction projects. So there's a bit of a concern that, particularly for iron ore. So we're still cautious on iron ore. We're not super bearish, but on a 12 to 18 month, you've also got a lot of supply coming into that market as well. And I can touch on copper there quickly. I don't know how much time we've got there, but yeah, the copper scenario is probably a little bit more, we're a bit more optimistic around copper, where that goes medium term in terms of demand and also the supply shortages. But again, we haven't, probably the demand has probably been, as globally, has been a bit weaker than expected. So hopefully pick up in fiscal stimulus in China at some point, post some of the tariff announcements, and then we'll hopefully see a tightening up in the physical copper market as well.